founder of T3-HydroGen, and I have my partner Alejandro, Juan, and Yin. The purpose of our project is to use water as an alternative fuel source. How we plan to do that is to build a hydrogen generator that will produce hydrogen into the combustion of an engine, any type of engine, and then by using hydrogen as an alternative source as well as petroleum gas, we will be having better performance for the car, and we will have better solution of source for the future. Simple way of going green, we're using water. Water is a renewable energy source. Hydrogen that will be produced from the water, as well as economical concerns. The purpose of a project and design is to build something that uses electrolysis. Electrolysis, it works off of electric current running through the water, and then that will generate hydrogen. So we will use that into the car, and that will increase mileage. Pollution-free because hydrogen is non-toxic gas, and it will be environmentally friendly, and increase engine performance because we'll be using gasoline plus hydrogen. And Alejandro is going to talk a little bit more about how the process works.
Our project is based, our design is based on the process of electrolysis. It's the process of where we split the water into its main elements, that is hydrogen and oxygen. That's what the name comes HHO generator, because it generates 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Next slide. Our main goal in our design is to decrease, is produce the maximum amount of hydrogen with the less current we can get out of the car. Because when we look at a car, we have to look at it as a closed system, and when we add another part of the car, we're getting current out of that engine, we automatically we're putting more magnetic field, and the magnetic field, magnetic friction. So this engine will have it's gonna have more power to produce. So what we're trying to overcome is that with the less amount of energy that we can get of that engine, we can produce the more possible amount of hydrogen.
Some of the advantages are increased gas mileage, cleaner exhaust, hydrogen burns faster than fuel, so that's going to increase the power of our engine. Possible materials, as far as the steel goes, stainless and titanium. We're most likely going to go with stainless because of the price. More materials include PCP container, copper wires, etc. This is most likely what our design is going to be. As you can see, those are the stainless tubes. The outside tubes are going to carry a negative charge, and the inside ones are going to carry a positive charge. They're going to be submerged in a plastic container, which is where the water and the current is going to go. These are some of our parts that we're going to need: fuse, amp relay, the tank, hoses, stuff like that. This is a rough estimate of our price. It's most likely going to go down, but as you can see, it's to have an alternative source of, or like to improve your car. It's not a bad investment. Timeline.
At the time, currently we have able to finish the literature review, the temperature report, and the senior poster. Currently, right now, we're more into design and research. We plan to do throughout the summer too. And for the global consideration for environment is a positive impact for environment, and is a renewable energy, since water turns to hydrogen, oxygen, and then when it's combusted, it's turned back to water. So. And also for hazardous material, we're going to have a universal one label for the part that we made, and we're going to have a both SI and English unit for the calculation or the unit showing how much we produce. And for practicality, it can input for any type of car. In conclusion, hydrogen generator is good for the environment, and if it increase efficiency for the fuel car, and save money for your pocket. And thank you very much for listening.
Thank you.
Yes. Do you have any